Hello guys, welcome back to Daniel Games, and today I have another video for you guys. As today I'll just be doing some dice magic that I learned recently, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, as it helps me a lot. Let's just jump into the video. Okay, now before I get into the tutorial, I'll be doing a demonstration of what this magic trick consists of. So you see a 1 and a 2 here, right? But then you see a 6 and a 5. But wait, it just teleported. Wait, but wasn't 1 and 2 up here? You probably saw what I did, but if you didn't, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do this trick. Okay, so for this trick to work, all you need is your 2 dices, and you want to find the 1, 2 and the 2, 1 on your dices, and you want to align it like this. And then you want to grab it in a way where you could twist it, which is the move what you want to do. So you want to grab it like this. And then you want to twist it when you turn your hand around. So then it looks like that the dice faces just magically teleported. And that's really the trick. And for 1, 1, 2 right here, same thing. Just twist your hand. 5, 6. And that's really all I have today, guys. And as always, guys, that's how you do the trick, guys. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, as it helps me a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.